Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage I, Bathtime. Kerplunk, splash, splosh, whoosh. The sounds of children bathing brought a smile to their mother's face. They loved Sundays for one reason only, and this was it. The bath became an ocean, filled with waves, sunken ships, and dinosaurs appearing from deep below the soapy surface. The screechers came to a halt once she brought out the towels. They couldn't stay forever, and they knew it. One by one, the children stood up and were wrapped in a big, warm towel, ready to dry off, hop into bed, and dream of their bath-time adventures. Questions. Why did the children like Sundays? What did the children like to do in the bath? What does the word this refer to in sentence 2? Had the children enjoyed bath time before? Why did the screeches come to a halt? Now let's check the answers. Why did the children like Sundays? Well, it was on Sundays that they could have a bath, or that they would usually have a bath. What did the children like to do in the bath? They liked to play with ships and dinosaurs. What does the word this refer to in sentence 2? Here's the word this, and we know it refers to the time they spent in the bath, a time that they enjoyed. Had the children enjoyed bath time before? Yes, it's something that they did every week on a Sunday, and that's why they loved Sundays. Why did the screechers come to a halt? Well, the children had to get out of the bath. We know that because the mother bought towels, and it says they couldn't stay forever, and they knew it. Also, one by one, the children would stand up and be wrapped in a towel, meaning that they were leaving the bath. Thank you for your time. How did you do?